Hey guys, what's going on? Charlie here. So I'm bringing you a very important update. It's not so much of an update as more of fine print that I was reading that may be huge as far as getting people on board. So what we're looking at here is the updated AMC shareholder meeting. Now, they originally moved the date from May 4th to July 29th, and that nothing's changed there. If you want to be able to vote your shares in, the deadline to buy AMC and have a vote counted towards the float is June 2nd. Now, this is why I'm making this video. I read this sentence right here. The company will deliver a new notice of the annual meeting to stockholders as of the record date, who will need to resubmit their votes even if they have previously voted. So that's the big thing here. Even if you've already voted in all your AMC shares, you're going to have to wait for this second shareholder packet to come in, at which point you're going to go ahead and re-vote, and you're going to be able to vote in the shares you previously had the first time and anything that you may have picked up between now and then. So if anyone's out there worrying about the vote, there's still plenty of time. We have till the 2nd of June to pick up shares to count towards the vote, and you should be getting a packet in the coming weeks at which you will use that packet to vote. And in the packet, you will have exactly how the board recommends you to vote. You're going to have your control number, and that's if you get it paper mail delivery. If you have electronic delivery, contact your broker as soon as possible and make sure that you request this. Even if it's too early, they may give you an answer of when it's going to come out, like an exact date. So always reach out to your broker if you have electronic delivery. If you have paper delivery, you should just have to wait for the mail to come, and it should be there. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hang in there. If you've already voted, again, reiterating, you have to vote again. So I feel like that's going to be an important factor in this. The more people we have to vote, the better. So let's see what happens. Hang in there, guys. And I do have a live stream scheduled tonight at 6 p.m. It's mainly just going to be a hangout where anyone GameStop and AMC related can come in one place, hang out, talk about stuff, see if we can learn anything new. But anyways, I'll see you guys later on, and you'll have a good one.